The coolest factor of your DVR service is the ability to manipulate live TV. As you watch a channel, the last 30 minutes are recorded in a buffer that makes it possible for you to rewind, stop, and pause the show. As you are watching live TV, use the DVR controls to skip back, rewind, fast forward, pause, and to watch TV in slow motion. Press the rewind button to see something again, or press the skip back button to go back 10 seconds at a time. You can pause the program to walk away and then press play to continue from that point. Pressing the rewind and fast forward buttons multiple times increases the speed. If you rewind further back in the program, you can always fast forward or skip forward as well. To watch TV in slow motion, press the pause button and then the fast forward button. There are 3 speeds available in slow motion. At any time, you can also press the live TV button to get to the actual point where the program is airing.